Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So I just wanted to do a quick video real fast on the tips of moving, something I found out. Now, if you are very organized, I love to be organized, and have a ton of these bins in your house, I'm going to save you the trouble of taking stuff out, folding up the bin, and then packing the bin. It's just awful. Okay, so what I found, and it's going to save me so much time packing for this move, is the medium-sized Walmart boxes fit this bin perfectly. Like, I can just, like, as you can tell, it's empty because I already did that. And I was like, wait, I wonder if the medium-sized boxes will fit it. And it does, and I'm going to show you. So let's get this box taped up real fast. So, seriously, if you, like, my entertainment center is made of, like, the shelving with bins. My girls' toys are in bins. I'm just, like, organized with tons of bins, and they're all the exact same size. And so this is going to be easy. I can just take the bin out, put it in a box, tape it up, take the bin out, and then when I get to my next place, I would set up my little shelving unit and put the bins in super fast. So, okay, so if you're, like, organized or want to become organized, there's your tip. So let's just tape this up real fast. I'm so excited for this. You know how much time I've been packing for this move. Oh my goodness. Okay, here we go. The moment of truth. And I'm going to fill it up. But it just fits, like, perfectly inside. And there is a little extra space, but that's okay. I'm just going to, like, shove extra, like, cloths or whatever in it. But for my bins that are already full, this is going to be so easy. So there you go. The medium-sized Walmart bins will fit your other, or Walmart boxes will fit your bins. So yeah, so there's my tip for the day, and enjoy packing if you're packing, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye!